What is going on out there, good people, and welcome back to LMDTNT, where I am living my dream, trading and traveling. Back at it again today with another daily trade recap, actually getting this in early on one day and late for another day. I didn't get a trade recap done yesterday, which was Monday. Red day. So I want to put that out there. Almost a max loss red day, but not quite. And then get in the recap for today, which is Tuesday. So let's go ahead. Let's jump right on into it and bring up the charts. We already have this queued up where we need to be at. So Friday, end of day, it did take a trade that flattened out, added to our gains on Friday. And then Sunday, market opened up and didn't do anything from that 6 to 7:35 time frame, no trades. We noticed session lock comes on and it stays on the 2300. So we'll just keep on scrolling. On my laptop, I am still down here in Tampa, enjoying some nice Tampa weather. Gonna get on the road here in a little while, but wanted to get this recap done. But 2300 session filter comes off. Didn't take any trades coming through there. We'll keep scrolling and see where our first trade was actually taken at. All right, so it took this one at about 2 o'clock. We had another session filter that came on from 1 o'clock till 2 o'clock. Missed this nice move. And then it took this long right here that we see did stop out. Went about 1R. Went right at 1R, wicked over, came back up, tried to test it a few more times. Nope. Rolled over, stopped out. That was trade number one. Was risking 29 points. So right at $60. Only took one contract. So that was a $60 loss right there. We'll keep scrolling. A little after 5:20, it takes a short. This one here, it didn't take because of a filter for that time, but it takes this short. We see again, it stops us out. This one was risking 24.25 points, so right about $48. It took two contracts. We lost almost $100 on this one, so now we're down about 160. Let's keep going. 7 o'clock session filter kicked in, so right there, 7 o'clock session filter. That's going to ride out till 9 o'clock. So no trades, and then boom, 9 o'clock rolls around. It takes a long 32 points. That's about $64. Losing trade. Boom, quick, fast, in a hurry. We up out of there. I done lost count on what we down, but we down pretty good at this point. Over $200. 10 o'clock session filter kicks in till 2 o'clock, so it's not going to take any trades until 2 o'clock. Keep on scrolling through all of that. 2 o'clock kicks in. Doesn't take that one because of the time frame filter. This one here, risk says it's 50 points, but it didn't take it. I've seen that a few times. And then it does come in and it takes this long at about 340, 355 session, or the end of day flatten comes in, reduces the pain on that one right there. Otherwise, that would have been a full stop. That was risking 29 points. Looks like it might have stopped out on half of it. So about $30 loss right there is what that looks like. And that was Monday, y'all. Brutal, 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 brutal. Tuesday rolls around. Actually, not even. No, don't say that. Monday, 6 p.m. rolls around, which starts Tuesday. Market catches a short, risking 42 points. That's about $84. And let's see what it did. Just kind of chopping along. Market pushes back up. We're red. We are red. And wowzers. You see this candle right here? The stop was right there. This just barely missed the stop, y'all. Barely missed it, and it kept us in the trade. Boom, that's 1R trail. That's 2.25R trail. Boom, it locks in the step one. So now stop is right there. Boom, it locks in step two. The trail is now there. Still pushing down, still pushes down, still pushes down. Boom, right. Is that it? Yep, right there. It hits step three. So now 4R is locked in right there. Comes up, stops us out for 4R. So we lost about $240 is what I think it was. We'll look at the dashboard and see exactly what it was. But lost about $240 on Monday. And then we come in and we get a solid 4R trade. And then I'm going to keep on scrolling this so y'all can see something that I did today. Let's keep going, keep going, keep going. Again, these are session filters, so it doesn't take that trade, which would have been a banger. And I'll probably sometime between now and this weekend go in, remove the session filters, and then run back testing against what I've traded so far and see how those stats look. But we'll keep scrolling, see where we are, because it did take one more trade. I'm going to be full transparency. We'll keep scrolling. A couple of ones, the risk was too high. Risk was too high. Let's keep going, and there we go. So it did take a trade, or it should have taken a trade. Right here at market open this morning, but I had the bot turned off. Again, these show you the plays, but we're assuming that I'm running the bot on each and every play. This one, I turned it off. I turned it off because I did not want to take a trade at market open because of how the market had been acting lately. And it saved me $80 by doing that because this trade did stop out. It's 12:40 right now, so we are still in a session filter. But notice that, man, wick, and then it finally kind of made the move. And I'll just click right here to see where the market is now. Market is kind of rebounding back up. But one trade today, it should have taken two. The profit should be down $80 from what it's going to show right now. But this is what the balances look like. Current balance, $3,900. That's less than what it was the other day. I know, because I did take $600 out. I took a $600 withdrawal out of this account. I'm trying to get my capital back. But net trading P&L that we've made so far, $2,700. This thing's about $400 from me being solvent and having everything that I have invested and then trading with house money. Doing pretty good, showing a return of 229. Win rate 40%. Profit factor 1.37. Average trade is $15.22. We're in no current drawdown. Technically, we should be in an $80 current drawdown. Max drawdown $1,000. Recovery 2.74, and total fees $369. Let's scroll on over. This is what I was just talking about. Starting capital, $1,100. Deposit. So figure about $3,100 is what this account started with. I have withdrawn almost $2,000. TradeOvate charged me $50 because I didn't get out of a trade. And it's showing that I still have $1,200 of my money in this account. So once I get this to zero, I will slow down on my withdrawals, and then I will work on scaling this thing up. Because again, this is when this strategy really starts to make some good money. I saw that during back testing, but I want to get my money out first. Best day, still Tuesday. Worst day, still Monday. Best hour, still 6 o'clock. Worst hour, still 7 o'clock. P&L curve, healthy P&L curve. We'll go ahead, take a look at the calendar real quick, and then I'm gonna wrap this one up because I want to be on the road by 1 o'clock. So we were looking so good for August with just that one red day. Solid. Last week, solid. This week, we started off red. Now I was saying 240. We actually were down 260 yesterday. $260 red day. Look at that, y'all. Came right back. One trade made that back. Had I lost that 80 bucks, we'll be just about flat on the week right now. For the month, we're up 1337. Solid month right now. Hopefully we can keep that going, not give back too much of those gains. And on that note, I am going to go ahead. I'm going to wrap this video up. As always, thanks for checking me out. If you hadn't hit that like button, please do so. If you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. And always, we can continue the conversation in the comments. Right now, the bot is turned on. So at 2 o'clock, it'll be able to start trading again. And I don't think I'm going to turn it off. So hopefully we can catch a green trade or no trade and it not affect what we did today. But if it does, I'll let you know on the next recap. All right, I'm out of here. Peace.